Hi. Recently, a number of shutterbugs asked how you can extend the canvas beyond the current edges of a photo. And I'd like to show you how. We are in Photoshop Elements. The first thing we would need to do is zoom out a little bit so that we can have a little bit of extra room. So we zoom out a little bit. The next thing we do is select the crop tool on the left-hand side. Select the crop tool with no restrictions. And the crop tool right now is pulled down so that it fills the entire photo. Now, for example, what if we wanted to add a little additional real estate on the left-hand side of this photo and the bottom of this photo? What we would do is grab the handle on the bottom of the crop tool and actually drag it beyond the edges of the photo. And when we let go and we select accept, the green check mark, we now have white areas where we extended the border beyond the existing photo. Now, there are two ways of then filling this area in. One way is by using the spot healing brush on the left-hand side. If we select the spot healing brush and we come over to the white areas, and we make the spot healing brush slightly larger than the white area, and we paint down the side of this white area, and then we paint across the bottom of that area, and we let go of the mouse button, it will automatically fill in. Now, you may not be happy with some of the effects on the interface, but that's okay. You can then do additional adjustments such as that and like that in order to make it look less obvious that those sections are artificially, intelligently duplicated in order to extend the canvas. Another way of doing it is after we've finished doing the spot healing brush, is we can go up to the rectangular marquee and we can select a rectangular section. And we let go and we have the rectangular section selected. And then we can go up to Edit, Fill Selection. There's a pull-down list here. And on this pull-down list is Content Aware. We want 100% opacity and normal blending mode. And when we say OK, it will fill that area in. We could then do it again and fill it in on the bottom area. And again, do Edit, Fill Selection, Content Aware, OK, and it'll fill in that area as well. We can save a little time. Let me undo what I just did. We can take the rectangular marquee, select the entire photo, and then by holding down the Alt key, we can undo most of that section, come down just so that we are just outside the white area. And when I let go, you can see that what we've done is we've highlighted the L-shaped area around the white section. Again, we can go to Edit, fill selection, content aware, 100% opacity, and we say okay, and that will fill in the entire white area all at once.